Tips for real estate agents. Tip number 9. Judge the genuineness of your client. In real estate business, the most important thing to know is to judge that whether the client is genuine or not. Because if you put all the efforts in finding a property for the client who is not genuine and who is just passing the time, then you may only waste your precious time and energies. To judge the genuineness of the client, you have to ask him short questions through which you may be able to judge that whether he is genuine buyer or not, because a genuine client is always clear regarding his requirements. Question 1. What is your budget? Question 2. Size of required property. Question 3. You need a house, plot, or apartment, etc. Question 4. In which area do you want to buy the property? If the client gives you the clear-cut answers like I have a budget of 10 million and need a 5 Marla plot in XYZ area, then there are chances that the client is genuine. However, if the client says that there is no problem of budget and property of any size available in any area will be suitable for him, then it means that the client is not genuine and will only waste your time. For more real estate and business tips, subscribe our channel now.